What's going on YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today I'm here to review and unbox the Sky Dreamer Puma White. Okay, in case you don't have these Pumas yet, they come in a box that looks just like this. Let's take a look at these sneakers and let's see what they look like. Let me give you guys a 360 of these sneakers. Let me show you the bottom of the sneaker, and let me show you the top of the sneaker, okay? Now, guys, let me tell you a little history about these sneakers first, right? These sneakers were released in the 1980s, all right? And now they're released again, okay, with that classic look, all right? You can't go without noticing the high top on these sneakers. These sneakers are this is probably the tallest high top I've seen in a long time. And I mean, it's very tall, reaches above your ankle, okay? My experience with wearing these shoes, they're very comfortable, okay? They're made of rubber, okay? Leather around the ankle part, and a lot of suede, okay? Comes with white laces, all right? And also, the tongue is made of rubber, okay? So when you feel the tongue, it's made of rubber. Add into the heaviness of these sneakers right here. The soles also are made of rubber, very thick, very chunky, very bulky, especially the heels of these sneakers. They're very chunky, they're very bulky, all right? This is what gives this sneaker a lot of comfort. You're gonna get a lot of comfort from wearing these sneakers, okay? Look at the bottom of the sneakers, okay? And then you got the straps on top that will give you that locked in feeling, okay? You can strap it and unstrap it, give you that locked in feeling, okay? Let's talk about this high top real quick, all right? It's a very, very high top. This is probably one of the tallest ones I ever seen yet. Like I said, it reaches above your ankle. But when you put the straps on, it gives you that locked in feeling. You know what I'm saying? It feels good, warm, snug. You know what I'm saying? It wraps around your feet. From my experience from wearing these shoes, they feel good on the feet. They're comfortable. You know what I'm saying? You can lean your ankle into it and you won't hurt. They're very good on the legs, man. These shoes right here, you could probably do anything. You could probably do sports activity in them. You could probably walk around in them. You know what I mean? If you're working, if you're just a regular person doing anything, these right here will be comfortable. No, they're not Jordans. No, they're not Nike. No, they're not Adidas. But they are Pumas. You understand what I'm saying? And they're classic. Not only that, added to that classic look is comfortability. Not only comfortability, durability. You understand what I'm saying? These sneakers are going to last long because of the strong materials it's made of. I don't think it's going to break easy. You understand what I'm saying? And not only that, it's made of leather. It's made of suede. And it feels very strong. Not only that, it's very, very comfortable. All right, you can catch these sneakers right here, depending on where you're at. It might be on sale or not. You could get it between 120 and 160. That's what you're gonna get for these. All right. I don't like to say an exact price sometimes because some people might get it on sale and some people might not. That's the way it works all the time. Matter of fact, I got it for about 110. You understand what I'm saying? But I've seen people who say it's 90. Sometimes people say it's 120. You might get it between 120 and 160. All right, that's what I'm gonna say. But these sneakers right here, I give it an 8 out of 10. I like the fact that it's strong. It's made of strong materials. It's durable because of the material, and not only that, it's very comfortable because there's a lot of padding inside the shoe around the ankle area. Everywhere you feel inside the shoe, at the lower ankle area or the upper ankle area, there's comfortability everywhere. This sneaker right here, comfortability is written all over it. It's very well made. It's strong materials. I give it an 8 out of 10. Probably one of the best sneakers I've seen yet. That's not part of the Nike family or the Jordan family or the Adidas family. It's just a different sneaker. If you're into Pumas, I suggest you get one of these things. You're gonna be amazed at how these shoes feel on your feet. You understand what I'm saying? They're dope. I recommend it. It's an 8 out of 10. I give it. Sky Dukes approved. Thank you guys. I've not come to the end of my video. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, please click that subscribe button. Share my video. Feel free to make a comment. And if you're already subscribed, click that like button. Share my video. I appreciate everybody. Okay? And check it out, guys. If you guys want to know exactly what I'm wearing in these videos, I got the link in the description part of my video right below my videos so you guys can know where I'm copying it from. I got this Thomas shirt from ASOS, and I got this hat right here from this Vans hat from ASOS. All right, And until next time, guys, maybe, just maybe, I might see you with these on. Or maybe I might not. Who knows? One easy.